What is the important point I want to declare today? The present time and future is brighter and brighter for bad and good persons both. There was a time in ancient human civilization, around 500 AD, and few hundred years more, there were a huge criminality. Any person who are doing bad work, creating problems to others, they were enjoying the whole life, luxurious life, honored life. Majority of the persons used to accept, yes, this or that person is great and great because he is having bully muscles, he can beat hundreds. Nobody will say, why you are beating hundreds? But if one person was beating 100 persons, then there was clapping that he is great. Therefore, when anybody was doing bad work, bad activity, many years they were not able to get any suffering. And all good persons who were doing good work, they were not being supported by majority of people. Like Sant Tulsidas ji, he was writing his scripture. Then nobody supported him. All persons created big problem to them. He was not able to write the things. This is so surprising. He was not giving any lecture anywhere. Just he was writing scripture. Such bad time was. But at present and future, if you are doing bad, immediate lessons will be given. And we will have suffering. Then we will realize, yes, we did bad, therefore we got this. If at present we are doing good, then all will support. You will find majority support will be there. Even virus, bacteria will support. If you have osteoporosis, dystrophy of the muscles, any weakness in the heart muscles or in any place in the body, all bacteria, viruses, they will congregate and they will pack those things which are weak. They will work like patching tools. All they will collect together, they will be transformed by the life force inside. They will be working like a bone, ligament and tendon, muscles and many parts of the body. Such a great day is coming that if you are doing good work, all bacteria, virus will support, nature will support, plant kingdom will support, human being will support. This is very, very important to understand. One example India has demonstrated that everywhere, try to meet anyone, all politicians, they have only one slogan, we need money. Without money, there is no politics. In America, in Canada, in all over the world, in India, all parties are having only one thing, without money, there is no politics. We can become best person, we can do best work without money. This ashram is one example. We never work as commercial person. There is no arti business. There is no offering business. Whatever anybody is loving, they are giving 1 rupee or whatever, or 100 or 1,000. That become like diamond. In all over the world, program is free everywhere. There is no agent for collecting the fund. But this ashram is running. Then why you cannot have your house run by you? Why we feel that we are poor? Therefore decide to work the best, whatever you know, then you will find nature will support, you will get support of all persons of the world. Then what is the best work? A teaching, an education, which brings realization that we are one. Nobody is greater, nobody is smaller. All are one. We are equally great, but we are having different work, like eyes and ear, nose and tongue, teeth and palate, legs and arms, back and front. Each and every part of body, you cannot say this is a greater and this is a great and this is nothing. Even the nails which we cut and throw, if you don't get that nails, life will depart from here. What we call dead nails, they are very, very important. When you try to trim it, never remove all. keep one thin layer around that, you will find life force radiation will reduce. What is the conclusion? Let us do the best work. What is the best work? The work which brings realization of this truth, that we are children of God. As God helps all, therefore we have great power to help all. What is that work? Kriya Yoga meditation. Let us practice together. From today onwards, I request all of you to remember this important point, that head to toes what you feel, your own existence is presence of all power, knowledge, peace, bliss, immortality exists in God. Not only that, in God the cosmos exists. In God you will find past, present and future. Therefore within head to toes, in your existence, keep on concentrating on it. You will know real things past. You will experience a history. You need not to read history. I don't read history. I feel what Krishna has done. I know clearly and I explain it. And when you listen it and you accept it, then you will find problem disappears. It means this is truth. If you listen the truth, if you follow it, if you accept it, problem disappears. It means what I experienced, the past, about Krishna Bhagavan, about Jesus Christ, about Bhagavan Ram, about so many things, that is true. By concentrating on self, you can say it. In 95, in Magh Mela, I saw a vision, that prophecy of Mahatar Babaji, what he has declared here under banyan tree. Is going to fulfill within 10 to 15 years. Now you see, maybe kindergarten style. Now yoga is celebrating, yoga is honored in all over the world. And among yoga, nobody can say it that we are not having the highest yoga, that is Kriya Yoga at the same time is in the highest position in all over the world. This vision I saw when I was meditating at the bank of Holy Ganga in 95. And therefore I say very clearly, future will be brighter for all, for good and bad. If somebody is having lot of negativity, oh, I cannot survive, all are bad, he is bad, she is bad, nature is bad, everything is bad, bad and bad, that person will suicide. Because he needs next life quickly. He needs to forget all these illusionary knowledge and become new, like a new gem. Then start practicing, start living correct life. Therefore those persons will immediately, they will suicide, they will jump in front of the train, they will hang themselves, they will do all the things in which they will disappear. What is the conclusion today? Never leave Kriya Yoga meditation. I am fully dedicated for you. I will give you time if really you need it. Because it will remove poverty, it will remove all illness, sickness, all tension problem from their roots. This is for today. Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation, devotion in masters of Kriya Yoga, and to this our holy spiritual family. अब हम बैठेंगे. Now we will sit. आंखें खोलें, open eyes.